Hi guys, the humbling nature of man. Nothing could be so fascinating about the creation more than the crown of creation, since man fully alive is the glory of God. Although these marvels in nature could cause one to wonder, yet not so much, mostly because none would expect anything less, since the architect behind their making is Almighty. That is why what man has been able to achieve is in fact incredibly amazing considering his limitations. Yet both are in no way comparable because that which was made by God cannot contain him, but the car, the ship, the aircraft, though we are